Alright, what's up? This is long overdue. Been using the DrillBrush for probably 6 months now, and it's the best way to do dishes, it's the best way to clean. It's definitely not the only tool I need, but holy cow, it makes everything so much easier. But yeah, I got a filthy bathtub here. I went to record this so many different times and it just didn't work out. This time, I think will be good. And however, the first time I started recording for this, to make this video, I had a red brush like this that I used to clean the tile, the grout and stuff in here. And it was the first use, and I pushed a little bit harder than I should have, and one of these little bristle pods all popped out. I contacted Anthony at DrillBrush, and he sent out a replacement right away. He told me that they also have a lifetime warranty, I believe is what he said, and they'll give your money back one way or the other, whatever you want. If you want a replacement, they'll do it. If you want your money back, they'll do that. Double check on that lifetime replacement.
Dad, what are you doing?
I'm making a video and you just stepped in the way. So, go watch a show.
You're doing.
Hey, look there. See that? I'm recording. Do you want to be the cameraman? You want to go behind the camera and watch it?
Sure.
Alright. Does it look good?
Yeah.
And say action.
Action.
Okay, so as I was saying, they'll replace this if you want. They'll give you your money back if you want. But anyways, I got a couple of choice cleaning agents going to use to clean this up. First off is water. It's my new LED shower head. It's on the rain mist mode. There we go. So let's get this all watered up. So, no, we'll take a bath later, alright? So, this is Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. He's got a documentary about his crazy life where he escaped from a mental institution called Dr. Bronner's Soapbox. It used to be on Netflix, not sure if it still is. Hey, cameraman, stop shaking the camera.
No, what is this?
It's a oh, that's another cleaning agent. We'll talk about that in a second. Stay tuned, right?
Okay, yes, stay tuned.
Yeah, there we go. And don't shake the table. Here, why don't you sit there? Don't shake the camera. Sit here. Anyways, so this is a Castile soap. You can use it for anything. A household cleaner. You can use it for toothpaste. I've heard of people because it's like a coconut base, I believe. But anyways, let's just see how this does. Pretty good. Alright, cameraman's request, we want to see another cleaner. We have got straight up baking soda. Probably way better to use baking soda than Dr. Bronner's. Yeah, just watch.
I want to see it.
Yeah, just watch.
But I want to help.
You want to help? Let's just watch.
I can't see it.
There's nothing much to see right now. Daddy's just throwing the powder on the stuff. Watch it right there. Watch it inside the camera viewer. That's what the cameraman does.
What?
So we'll get a little bit wet here. And then we'll see about that.
Can you get more powder? Can you get more powder?
There's a green setting. Want to turn off the light so that they can see the shower head better?
No.
Cameraman?
I don't want this. I don't want you to show my head.
You gonna get the light?
Yeah.
Anyway, so that green is 95 to 108. And after 108, or less than 95, it's gonna be blue. Not bad, right? Pretty nice?
Yeah, pretty nice.
Pretty nice?
Yeah.
And then what else we got? It goes to red after 108 degrees. Or is it 105? Somewhere around there.
Red.
Red. And then once it gets really hot, if it's above 120, I believe, it'll flash double red twice, which I think our water heater is not even set that high. So, all right, turn on the light, honey. Turn the light back on.
Okay.
Here, there you go. You're closer. Turn the light back on. Okay, so other than that,
Wow, that's a phone dinger.
they have a couple other brushes. I use this for cleaning carpets. This is really awesome. I also use this right here for, you know, the grout work or for small spots in the carpet.
That's
But
a phone dinger.
there you go.
I love it, Dad. I love it.
Baby girl loves
I
it.
want to see it again. I want to see it again.
Let's all watch it again, guys.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.